Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. How are you all? I hope you are well. Welcome back to my channel in this new video. Today's video, how to erase table in Microsoft Word document. So let's started. At first, open your Word document file. Firstly, then I will show that in this video eraser table. Now going to the layout option. Now for click, then click with the eraser option. Then click with the table eraser. That's it. Then erasure table in Microsoft Word document is very easy. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video.